Hey guys, Davin here at brewbits.com with this week's product of the week. But before we get onto this, just remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you can see all the products of the week and all our other videos that we've got coming up. So this week's product of the week, although we are going to be taking a short break from Tuesday, you can still get this festival forest fruit cider kit for better than half price at $14.95. It does have a slightly short best before date of the end of June this year, but that still gives you plenty of time to get one in, get it brewing and get it ready, all those lovely forest fruity flavors. So what is in a forest fruity flavors? Well, you get a big bag in here of extra ingredients. It's not just like a normal cider kit. In here you get a bag of loads of dried apples, dried elderberries, there's dried sloes in it, there's dried blackcurrants, there's rowan berries, there's blueberries, and I think I've missed some out as well. Raisins, lots of raisins as well, and that's going to give it extra lovely juicy body to the cider. So it's going to be a lovely cider to make. Put it in some bottles, get it nice and fizzy, fresh, really refreshing on a hot summer's day. So as usual, use the code POTW, add this to your basket and you'll get this at half price. So $14.95, and that ends on Sunday this week.